Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing galaxy slime. Okay, so what you'll need for this slime is you'll need a big clear container, and then you'll need 4 containers, and you can include this one. Okay, so I already mixed all the colors together, so I'll explain how I made them. So for this one, I used 2 drops of purple food coloring. For this one, I used 2 drops of light blue food coloring and 2 drops of purple food coloring. And for this one, I used 2 drops of pink food coloring and 1 drop of purple food coloring. Okay, to make this slime, the first thing you want to do is make a big, clear, jiggly slime, like this one. I used 1 clear bottle of glue that was 4 ounces, and then you want to fill the rest of this container right here with water. And then mix it all together, and yeah, pretty much it. And then you want to activate it, and don't over activate it. For this one, you want like a jiggly consistency that's a little under activated, because when it sets, it's going to get a little more activated. Okay, to make the slime, you want to take out all of the containers of slime that you made in all the different colors. Okay, so now that you have all the slimes out, all the different colored slimes, you want to take little chunks of it like this and keep adding them to the pile like this. Another way you could do it is you could layer it, but I think, in my opinion, this way looks a little cooler. So I don't really have any clear glitter, not clear. So I'm just gonna not use it. So you just want to keep doing this until you have used up all of your slime. Okay, so here is the final result. Sorry if you can't see it very well. I think I'll get a light for it. Okay guys, so sorry if this thing is really messy, but here it is in the light. You can't really tell all the colors apart, and I wish I had some glitter. So definitely add glitter. But yeah, I'm like already obsessed with this, and I just made it like a galaxy slime. I think it's really cool, and I really like how the bubbles in the camera gives it a really nice effect, and I'd totally do this again. And here's a quick fact: if you're going to like make the color of slimes, you should make one that will make a pretty color. And I'd recommend don't add green to anything unless it's only green and yellow, or else it's just going to turn everything brown and ugly. And I'm sorry if you think it's beautiful, but I do not, so don't give me hate for it.